PM Narendra Modi led the Operation Sindhu.
We get to black out and when the siren alerts, we have to hide. Okay?
Right? Anyone else? Hello to everyone, myself Smriti from class 8 and we are here to share some insights about Pahalgam attack with you today. In the past few days, the news is carrying the headlines about the deadliest attack on civilians happened in Pahalgam, which is a part of Jammu and Kashmir. The attack has been done by mass shooting, mass murder and Islamist terrorism. This incident happened on 22nd of April around 2:30 p.m. from the dense pine forest surrounding the whole Basilan Valley started firing at a group of 40 tourists. Now I'm handing this mic to my companion. She will let you know more about this.
Share you how the Pahalgam terror attack unfolded. This attack was on non-Muslim tourists by 5 armed militants. This attack took place in the Pahalgam in the Basilan Valley. This attack mainly targeted Hindu tourists, though a Christian tourist and a local Muslim pony rider was also killed in this attack. The militants singled out the men and asked their religion and asked them to recite the Islamic kalima, but the men denied. And the militants started shooting, as you can see on the screen. And then I'm holding this mic to Nandini. She will tell you more about this incident.
Everyone, my name is Nandini. Now I let you know about Operation Sindhu. The mother of Colonel Sophia Qureshi, who led the Operation Sindhu along with Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, said India has avenged the Sindhus of our mothers and sisters. The Indian Armed Forces have carried out Operation Sindhu against Pakistan in response to Pahalgam terror attack. The forces hissed terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, from where terrorist attacks against India have been planned and directed. Now my companion will explain you more about this incident.
Hi everyone, I am Sona. Now I would like to share some more information about this incident. The government said that 9 locations have been targeted in Operation Sindhu. 2 weeks after the Pakistani terrorists gunned down 26 civilians near Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir.
Mike near this. Name the name of this.
Names are Shwai Hana Camp, Sinha Camp, Gurupur, Khedla, Barnara, Abbas Kodri, Bhalpur, Mulke, Sajwal and Mehmona Joya. India had responded on Wednesday 7 May with air strikes on Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India suspended its participation in the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan in Simla Agreement in July 1972. The mock drill is to prepare citizens to alert. Everyone is requested to switch off all the lights, electrical appliances and stay indoors.
Mass murder and by Islamist terrorism. This incident has happened on 22nd April of 2025 around 2:30 p.m. from the dense pine forest surrounding from all the direction of the Basilan Valley, and a group of 40 tourists started firing on them. Now I'm handing this mic to my companion. She will let you know more about this.
Good morning everyone, I am Fiza. Now I am going to share you about how the Pahalgam terror attack unfolded. This attack was on non-Muslim tourists, as you can see on screen, by 5 armed militants who attacked in the Pahalgam in the Basilan Valley. This attack mainly targeted non-Muslims, Hindu, though a Christian tourist and a local Muslim who was a pony rider was also killed in this attack. The militants singled out the men and asked their religion and asked them to recite the Islamic kalima, but the men denied. So the militants started shooting. Now let us know more about this incident by my captain.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nandini. Now I let you to know about Operation Sindhu. The mother of Colonel Sophia Qureshi, who led the Operation